Hello and welcome to Birds, and thanks for stopping by. In a few minutes it's time to draw the two winners of the number plates. For this I use the TubeBuddy tool, pick a winner. And also, to make it more intentional, I use my egg clock, put them on 10 seconds, and as soon as a chick comes out, I'll draw the winner. To be fair, one thing I have to say, if you see my comment, it's not for me, it's a comment for Jason from 419 crawlers. He had some issues, he was the only one who couldn't take a part on the brawl, so I helped him. I said I'll put my comment in with 500 birds, and if it's drawn, he will get the number plate. So now everything is cleared. It takes around 10 minutes. And with the magic of YouTube, I'll be back then when it's time to draw the winners. And at the end of the video, I explain how the two winners can get to their win. So at least these two should stay with me until the end of this video. So now it's June the 30th, 18 o'clock. Time to pick a winner. As I said, please write down 500 birds. Oops. And the first winner is Fonsi. Again 10 seconds and begin. And the second is Adam from Adam's Playground. So, Fonsi and Adam, congrats to the number plates. Please go into the About section of my channel and contact me. I give you a keyword and then go back, please, to your written comment with the 500 birds and edit it. Don't add another comment. Please really open the old comment, edit it, and write down the code word so that it is proved that it is you, and no one else can take your win. I'd like to thank every viewer of my videos and everyone who is subscribed to my channel. This gives me the strength to go on with it. And the next giveaway will be at 1000 subscribers. And for this, I have a really good or big surprise for you. See you soon on Birds.